Hello and welcome back. So it's been a while. A few things happened in the meanwhile. One of which is that the A30 broke down, which resulted in changing the whole top end of the engine, but now it works and everything is good. And right after that job, I did like, I don't know, 15 or 20 kilometers. I was washing the car and I saw that one side on the rear is a little bit lower than the other side, and turns out that the spring perch is a bit rusted, so the plan is to change it. I will show you in a moment exactly how that looks, because I will need to take off the wheels. So yeah, so let me quickly do that and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's not super visible yet, but here the spring perch, there's literally a hole. This also is rusted, and the whole spring went a little bit into the body, so the car sits a bit lower. So basically the plan: first remove the suspension, so one bolt down, two bolts up in the trunk, and then grind this area here to see how that looks underneath this coating. Okay, so now the shocks and the springs are off, so the visibility is a bit better. So this is rusted here, there's a hole, there's also some rust here. I will grind this area here to see how that looks underneath, and then probably cut it, weld it. The other side is not as bad, it's also rusted here, but at least there's no hole. But I will do the same thing, just grind it and see what's underneath. Bro, what is with this weather? Like last week, the whole week was like 30 degrees and sunny, and today is, I don't know, like 20 degrees, and it's raining every 20-30 minutes. At least I got a coffee. To be honest, it's not looking very good, but the good thing is that I started doing this now, not later. So basically, I don't know how this perch is still holding, because there's no material around it, here and here. Okay, so I've cut the perch and cleaned a little bit. Here the metal is already good, so I guess I will cut somewhere here, same here. Then I will clean the bottom part, and I guess then that will be ready for welding. Let's go. So I wasn't recording because it was long and boring, but I have the area here more or less prepared. So I was cutting, grinding, cleaning. I will still need to do a little bit of cleaning before welding, but For now I think that should be enough. So the whole area here is prepared. Before actually welding it, I will clean it a little bit more, but now for preparing the metal sheet that will go here, that's enough. And I'm leaving the second side for now as it is, so when I'm welding it I can see exactly how it should look. Okay, so I will do the template now, and I think I will do it in 3 pieces. One here, second here, and maybe third here, or just the second and third will be combined, because I won't be able to shape the metal sheet in the way that it's here. I've never done anything like this work before. It's super fun. So I've prepared the first piece. I've also put some more rust protection inside the profile. So I guess now it's time to weld the first piece and then continue with the next one. Okay, so these are not the prettiest welds, but they should be strong enough. The whole piece here is welded, here and here, so from all around. But it's getting a bit late, so I guess I will be back tomorrow. Second day, and honestly, I just want to drive this car. I mean, it's been sitting for some time now, and I really enjoy working on it. That's fun. But there's a difference when you work on the car because you want to work on it, to change something, upgrade something, and when you work on the car because you need to work on it, because you can drive it if you don't work on it. I don't know if I will finish it today, because looking how much time it's taking, I'm not sure, but the only way to find out is to just stop talking and start doing. So quickly, what's the plan? The second small piece here, then the whole piece in the middle, and the perch. Okay, so it's been a few hours and the structure is ready. It's not the prettiest, but it should work. And now the next step is the actual perch. So I bought the plate and the reinforcement for it. So now I will just prepare it and weld it on. So it's here. This is the actual plate for the spring and the reinforcement that is holding it. I wasn't filming a lot because this job is not very exciting, but there's some good progress. Whole thing is covered in the sealant. And I changed the plan a little bit. I won't do the other side because first thing is holding quite good. There's no holes Everything seems to be strong and stable. And the second thing is that there's a fuel pipe very close to that place, and I don't want to remove the fuel tank, the fuel pipe. So I will do that in the future, because I'm planning in the future to drop the tank. So now I just put some more protection there, and that should be good to go. And here I will come back here tomorrow, because it's getting a bit late now, and the sealant still need to dry a bit. And tomorrow morning I will just prepare everything, so I will cover the car and paint the spot that I repaired, and wait till it's dry, and it should be ready to go. Next day, everything is prepared for painting, so I guess I will paint now. Okay, so the car is painted with the bed liner. In the meantime, I measured the exhaust, because making the exhaust will be the subject of one of the next videos. And also we'll be doing the exhaust not only on this car, but also on one more car, which is even more exciting. And the last 2 days I didn't do anything, because I had some like metal particles stuck in my eye, and my dad had to take me to the hospital to get it removed. So yeah, but at least the bed liner is really dry now, and the car can be put back together. And I think I won't film it, because it's not very exciting, and I also just wanted to already have this video finished. So I guess I will finish it right here, and I will see you in the next one.